Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy T-bills on Thinkorswim. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab located at the top of your screen. From there, you will find various investment options, including the section dedicated to bonds. This is your starting point for purchasing Treasury bills. Now that you are in the bonds section, use the search bar to find Treasury bills or simply T-bills. You can then filter the results by their maturity date to align with your financial goals. Carefully review the available CUSIP and their associated yields to select the best option for your portfolio. This step ensures you pick the right T-bill. Once you have identified the T-bill you want, select it to open the order entry window. Here, you will specify the quantity or the exact dollar amount you wish to invest. Next, choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Confirm these details carefully. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details of your order, including the T-bill selected, the quantity, and the order type. This is crucial to prevent any errors. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to submit your purchase. You can then track the status of your order in the Monitor tab to ensure it executes as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.